Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you this 169 ounces cat water fountain I can with this lady right here. But let me show you this stainless steel water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm gonna have to take Mini out, but this one, which I'm gonna show you in a close-up in a few seconds, has something really special. It has motion sensor. And you can see that right now it's not plugged to anything because it's also rechargeable. So that is really cool for moving it around rooms. You know, if you wanna put this one in your office while you're there in your office, you can do it. If you wanna put it in, if you're working from home or something like that, you wanna take it to the living room, you can do it because it's rechargeable with 5,000 milliamp hours battery. Also, the filters are inside, and it comes with a dual system filter that will filtrate all the water and take it back. So being with the filters and having the filters and being stainless steel means that it's gonna give the best quality for your pets. Also, right here, you can see how much water has left with a neon light and 169 ounces. Rechargeable, but let me show it to you in a closer look. Okay, check this out, and I'm gonna see if I can have one of my cats here. This one, again, it has the motion sensor, it has the continuous mode, it also has a timer, and you manage everything through here, so there is button right here. Let's check it out if he wants to drink some water here, but let's actually move it, and now that he's here, you can see that this one starts moving right away. Well, it seems like he's not gonna drink the water, but they used it before, and I gotta say that this one with the motion sensor means that it's gonna be flowing whenever they're kind of like getting close to the actual water fountain. And it has a really good amount of water here, and it's super quiet. So that's something really cool to say. With the motion sensor, the timer, the continuous mode, the battery charger right here, as well as the filter, and just being stainless steel means that this one is gonna be good for your pets.